Hello friends, let's crochet together a granny square like this. Here is the pattern and let's start. First of all, we make a magic loop and 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This is our first double crochet, and then we make 2 chains more and a double crochet into the ring. 2 chains, a double crochet, 2 chains, a double crochet, 2 chains, a double crochet, 1, 2, a double crochet, 1, 2, a double crochet, 1, 2, a double crochet. Pull the thread and there are 8 double crochets into the first round. 2 chains and we make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we make a slip stitch in the next arch, and this is the beginning of the 2nd round. We make 3 chains and 2 double crochets in the same arch. 1, 2, 1 chain and 3 double crochets in the next arch. 1 chain, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 1 chain, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and continue in the same way till the end of the round. Don't forget about a chain after the last double crochet, and we make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we make a slip stitch in the next loop, again a slip stitch in the next loop, and a slip stitch in a little arch. 1, 2, 3 chains and 2 double crochets in the arch. Then we make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 double crochets in the next arch. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the next arch. 1, 2, 3. Then we make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 double crochets in the next arch. 2 and 3. 2 chains, and again double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We make the next corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains, and we make a slip stitch in the third chain. We make a slip stitch in the next loop, and this is the beginning of another round. We make 3 chains, a double crochet in the next loop, and in the corner we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains and 3 double crochets. 2, 3. Then we make a double crochet in each loop. 2, 3, and 3 double crochets in the arch. 1, 2, 3. Then we make double crochets in the loops. 1, 2, 3, and a corner again. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains and 3 double crochets. Then we make double crochets in the loops. 1 double crochet in each loop. 3 double crochets in the little arch. 3 double crochets in the loops, and then we make the rest of the round in the same way. In the end of the round we make a slip stitch in the third chain, and the next round is the most simple one. We make 3 chains. This is our first double crochet, and we make a double crochet in each loop. Like this. and in the corner we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and again 1 double crochet in each loop. And in the corner we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and go on till the end of the round. And in the end we pull the thread, cut it, and close the round. We pull the thread in the first loop and then inside the last one, and fix the thread on the opposite side with the needle. And hide it between the stitches. And our granny square is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.